Hey guys, so today I decided to do a video of a few of the tinctures I plan on making and storing up. Yes, so not only is it important to make sure you have everything you need for your house, just make sure you have different herbs that can help you through different things. So today I'm going to share my Echinacea and stay tuned. Hello again. So today I am making a tincture, which I will be using an 80 proof vodka and some Echinacea. So of course I always sterilize my items very good. This is the alcohol spray that I have. This is for personal use. If it wasn't, I would pretty much put gloves and do the whole workup. But anyway, this is for demonstration purposes only. So yeah, I'm cleaning it very good. I cleaned the top as well. Now I am using some 8-ounce jars that I already had that, and this is my Echinacea that I had stored for a while, and I'm going to go ahead and fill this up about halfway. So it probably would give me at least, well, I'm not going to say halfway because I'm still going to have like an inch headspace at the top. So maybe 3 to 4 ounces of it, because I really didn't want to use all of it either way. And then what I'm going to do is take the vodka of choice and pour that in, and I'm going to fill it up. I'm going to leave about an inch headspace, and I'm going to let it sit for 6 to 8 weeks, and you can, flip it upside down to make sure everything is, doing what it needed to do. But anyway, I'm going to sit this in a closet. And I'm going to have me a good old Echinacea tincture. Stay tuned. If you guys are not familiar with Echinacea, it is like a natural antibiotic. It boosts your immune system. It fights against germs and actually helps with upper respiratory issues that you might be having, and really good with fighting infections. Okay.